For me, it was a very simple idea just to go to China. And then I started to choose city. So I searched on the internet and found an amazing island. It's called Sheiamn, and I read about Sheiamn University, and it was like one of the top in China. So I decided to study in Sheiamn University. In 2010 I started, and when I graduate I don't want to come back because I feel already like China is my home. So I'm here for 13 years living in China, having my business in China, have my family in China, and yeah, it feels like home. I think most of the people can agree with me for now. China is the best place to build your business. It has plenty of opportunities. Like every single day you can find something to develop in China, some business ideas, some very unique goods, what you can find only in China. It's very easy to produce a stock here, and it's very fast and very cheap compared to other countries. I love everything about Chinese culture. The Chinese culture is super rich. I like Chinese traditional dances, Beijing opera, even Asian poems I love. Chinese traditional dress. I travel a lot in China, and I really can say that Chinese culture is very interesting, very deep, and very rich. I have a lot of plans in China. First of all, I'm gonna stay here as long as possible, and I have a lot of business ideas how to develop my business. Maybe open some other branches in other countries, and